हाय गाइस, गुड मॉर्निंग। सो अभी बज रहे हैं सुबह के अभी 7 बजने में 3 मिनट है, 6:57। सो आई वोक अप एट 6, मतलब 5:56 बेसिकली, 1 घंटा पहले। एंड आई डिसाइडेड टू डॉक्यूमेंट माई डे टुडे एंड आई एम थिंकिंग टू डू 75 हार्ड 2024 के लास्ट के 3 महीने बचने वाले। एंड आई एम So my birthday is on 14th of January 2025. I'll be 25 on this planet Earth. Now 75 hours, why I'm sitting at 75 hours because maybe, I'm a girl, I get periods and I don't feel like working out those days. So yeah, let's give time, be flexible with that. And so it's now morning. I actually was feeling lazy while waking up. I mean, not really lazy waking up, it's just that what to do now. So I'm doing my morning workout and first I'll do a walk, then running. I won't say running, I'll do jog basically, and then 10 minutes exercise, 5 minutes meditation. That's it, 45 minutes. I could see sun. अभी बादलों में छुप गया. Nice morning today. So my birds. Good morning, good evening. So I have completed one round of walk. I'll be running now. Hi guys, so this is me after completing one round. So I realized I was walking and my earphones are in my pocket, so I'm not able to get the audio right. All I'm saying here is that I was running and then I was taking a break, so it was basically a jog, and here I'm showing my, like, after one round of run I got sweat, so this is nice. It was a good workout in here. I was able to complete it in 10 minutes only, this and that. So this is me after completing my 10 minutes workout. Oh my god, I'm sweating heavily. So yeah, I did 10 minutes HIIT workout, low impact, from Juice and Toya. Nice name. So afterwards, it's this. I'll do meditation for 5 minutes now and then go back. Timing as of now is 7:40. So 20 minutes I took for walk and running, 10 minutes for workout, breathing time. Now 5 minutes workout. It's 45 minutes outside work that is done. And yeah, I would like to suggest to all the people who are in like ages above 35, I would strongly recommend you guys to work out. I see so many people here in park, husband and wife, usually they are working out, single wives, or say single wives, what is this? I mean single, like women alone, they are walking. You can see, can you see? I don't know, men and women both working out. So you are in charge of your health. There were some old couple here working out. So yeah, I mean, work out, it's your health, your own body. And why I'm continuing this, because it was in my New Year's resolution. Let me just share that. First was to get in shape, because last year I had to put on so much weight. And another one was to reconnect with my old friendships from college, school also. Yeah, one uncle just spit it. on an open ground, anyone can use, whatever. Yeah, so both of those two major resolution I can say I've done it 80% something. I'm back in my good shape and I have connected with my old friends. So yeah, that's that, and there are a few more on the list. If I get the chance to go visit them, I'll definitely. Now meditation, and then we are done with the morning routine, guys. And I don't know, it's one thing with me that I can't really continue. They say after 21 days you can build a habit, but after a month I just don't. So this time I'm thinking like 75 days at least. Let me. And luckily, if anything good happens, my YouTube flourishes and I get some 1,000 subscribers and whatever. So it will be great. Right? So yeah, that's that. So this is after completing 5 minutes meditation for self-gratitude. So I think this would be my morning routine as exercise. Yeah, be grateful, guys. We have so many things to be grateful for, and we don't really appreciate them when we have those things, or say people around us, and then when people left, and then we say, oh, he or she was a good person. है ना, मरने के बाद ही ये लोग अच्छे थे सुनने में. Appreciate good things around you when you find time, or time बनाओ, मतलब appreciate and be grateful for things you have, because you never know, you may not have those things back. Oh, Babaji, so yeah, and after meditation, when I opened my eyes, it was so nice and green. Yeah, let me show you how does it. So it's a good morning now. Actually, good morning. How about today? For myself, anar or nak.